Hi, my name is Dr. Kimball Coleman, and on today we will learn about Google Forms. This is a free tool, and we're going to start off with something that is blank. And for this, I'm just going to call this SEL survey. Okay, so question number one, how are you feeling today? Good, happy, sad. Okay, so this is a multiple choice, and the students would just go in and just select their emotion. This is just a check-in with your students, and perhaps you want to know, what grade are you in? You can just say add all, freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, or you can type that in. The next thing I want to do is ask them, how are you doing in your classes? Excellent. At all. Excellent, good, fair, poor. Um, Instead of poor, I want to say not that good, or you can say that. Um, so this is just a brief check-in SEL survey, and maybe you can just add just a quick question, just something just to get them to think about maybe something that you're going to learn, or maybe a social emotional wellness skill. Or you can say, name one thing fun that you did this summer. Name one thing fun that you did this summer. Now, I just say I want a short answer. So the students would just type in a very short answer. Are you looking forward to the new school year? Maybe it can be yes, no, maybe. So these are all just good questions to ask your students. And as a discussion point, once students fill this out, the class can talk about something they did fun this summer. Now, with this, I have used this for quizzes. I have used this for just different forms of surveys, from wellness to an exit ticket. You can create exit tickets with this. And you can go to settings, collect emails. You can restrict user, you can restrict to one response. You can edit at the submit. You can do it so everyone can see the responses of everyone else, see summary charts and text responses. And when you're done, when the students fill this out, it will create a pie chart. So how are you feeling today will be a pie chart broken up by percentages. What grade are you in? That would be a pie chart. And Google will automatically create these charts. And you can just go in and just view the responses once they're done. And then the responses can be downloaded as a .csv file. You can open this up in Microsoft Excel. You can also open this up within Google Sheets. You can get email notification from the responses. So this is just a really powerful tool. You can change it, the name to whatever. And this is just a general layout of how you can create something in Google Forms. Again, my name is Dr. Kendall Coleman, and just a brief tutorial in Google Forms. And if you want students to do it, you just copy this link and you just share it. Just share the link with them. They will not be able to edit it, but they can fill it out. Thank you.